Vampyre ever. So you, welcome to our monster party featuring the most spectacular party trick ever. There is no greater party in town.
There is no other party in town.
I'm so glad you're okay. I just love to throw huge parties for my snacks and friends.
Okay, can I have a quick drink, please?
Right! We've got more test subjects.
They are here for the fun.
Oh, yes. First, I will show you my warm-up invention. No, not that one. Got it. Monster-made party automation system. Let's just turn this.
Green is not my color.
I hope you're keeping our guests entertained.
Yeah.